Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you, of course. Today let me introduce you EEI LU EI Lulu Airbed for one or two person. This is an air mattress with self-inflating function with an use of an electric air pump, which is built in, but you can of course remove it. Cushion and night light function. Inflatable mattress for camping and for home use. In this case here it's a double sizer. This is 200 to 150 to 40 centimeter. It's also on the market available in a single version of it. The single version is 190 to 1 meter to 40 centimeter. The high dimensional stability and the low capacity comes with this mattress. It has an inflated dimension of 190 to 140 centimeter, or in the bigger version, of course, 2 to 150 to 40. And a maximum weight capacity of 150 kilograms. The arrangement of the 21 structured air columns provides a uniform support, reduce the pressure points, and ensure a more comfortable and restful sleep. The raised protective edge provides additional comfort and stability, balanced and a stable support that is not easy to collapse after a prolonged use. And we have premium comfort because this air bed is made of high quality materials and it is extremely robust and durable. The air bed with a thick and soft floked top brings comfortable sleeping experience. Durable PVC materials on the bottom, the waterproof and the puncture-proof design. The non-slip underside increase stability and reduce slippage, and perfect for indoor and for outdoor use. And with a detachable portable air pump with it. The automatic airbed comes with a 4000 mAh rechargeable air pump. No connection required. We can inflate it anytime and anywhere. The air pump is also be quickly inflatable and empty stuff. We just press the appropriate button and the airbed will be inflated and empty in 2 up to 3 minutes. And self-inflating air mattress have a time-controlled 5-minute automatic stop function. So in that 5 minutes it should be raised like a balloon. And so soft. Unique night light design brings us an electric air pump stuff. This has this night light function that allows 3 different lighting effects: constant light, bright light, and intermittent light. We can switch to our preferred light mode as needed. Versatile inflatable mattress that's perfect as a temporary bed set, and it is a wonderful alternative to camping or at home. And versatile. They also supply 3 additional air nozzles with that product, so we can take out the electric air pump and use it for camping air cushions, inflatable furnitures, etc. pp. The mattress is an electrical inflatable device which is suitable for many situations, whether at home, while traveling, camping, moving, or in the office. The self-inflating air mattress always and everywhere ensures a restful night's sleep and an easy storage and transport stuff, because the inflatable mattress comes with a practical carrying bag that makes the transport and storage easier when it's not in use. The inflatable mattress can be folded up and stored in a carrying bag to save space. In the folded state, the airbed has compact sizes of 38 to 14.5 to 29 centimeter. Wow, really cool. I.e. EI LU Alu brings us a lot of joy because a lot of nice sleeping staff here. It inflates in 5 minutes. Aerosol technology, comfort and durable, easy to carry, and it comes with a self-inflating detachable portable pump with 4,000 ml per hour. Waterproof, easy to clean, 0.2 mm flocking and 0.35 mm PVC side, fluffy softness and a peaceful sleep. This all with a built-in 4,000 ml per hour air pump, which is rechargeable, removable, and makes a good job, hey? We can inflate it easy peasy. We have a multifunctional lamp, long press to turn it on, constant light, click again, brighter light, click again, intermittent light. You can choose what you prefer. And multi-scenario, so you can use it as you need it. This all and much more brings us the EA Isle Lulu Airbed. It's a 1 or 2 person air mattress with a self-inflating and of course an electric air pump built in. Cushion and night light function. Inflatable mattress for camping and for home use. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon soon.